Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2004 Toyota RAV4 Cruiser, stock reference number 5791. The shape runs from the 7th month 2003 through to the 10th month 2005. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard has a small fold and a small dent. Bonnet is faded, no damage though. Left front, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left hand bumper end. Factory tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Spare 16-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. Tailgate has no damage, does have some clear peeling. Right hand tail light. Right power door mirror, and a right guard, no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket Kenwood head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.